this is my room in Waterloo. And you just touch it to light up. Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chloe for those of you who don't know me, and if you're new here, welcome and welcome, Jules! Sorry guys, I should have started the vlog earlier, but we are starting it now. Jules and I are just out for lunch, but you guys know Jules. Jules was my roommate throughout university, lived together first year, and I came up and visited her today, and we are in Oakville. We're just out for lunch right now. I don't know what this place is called. Lettuce Love.
Merry Christmas.
Okay guys, I was just about to say farewell to Jules, but she got locked out of the car.
What do you do?
Let
Should
me
I
see.
try doing this?
Okay, this way. There you go, baby. Okay guys, so Jules and I just had lunch right now. I don't really get to see her that often because she's back at home right now, and obviously I'm in Waterloo and it's like an hour away. So we try to make time to see each other when we can. Now I'm gonna head back to Waterloo. Gonna go see Charlie and Mel. And tonight I'm gonna set up my room a bit. I think I'm gonna put some photos on my wall and maybe give you guys like a room tour of what my room looks like there. It's pretty cute. I just got some sushi for dinner tonight. I got some fried rice and some crispy spicy rolls. This is probably like my favorite order to get when I get sushi, just because I love the pieces, but I feel like I need like a bunch of rice to actually fill me up. Okay guys, so I'm back in Waterloo right now, and I just wanted to really quickly give you guys a little room tour here. I've been at this place now for about 3 months, so it's a bit more put together than it was at the very beginning, which is why I'm showing you it now. But yeah, this is my room in Waterloo. So when you walk in the front, the first thing when you walk in is my bathroom right here on the right hand side. I'll show you guys it in a second. So I have this small section right here, and then I have like this wardrobe. I don't have a closet here, so pretty much my closet is built into this wardrobe that has a compartment down here for like shoes and bags, and then I just hang everything here. And then over here I have my desk. This is pretty much where I do work every single morning and get ready. Candle, I have my makeup mirror, my laptop here, and then my work laptop's over here. So I've got a shelving unit, everything. I've got my bed here, and then down here I have 2 sets of drawers. So that's where I put most of my clothes. And then I have my tapestry over here. This mirror I brought from home. Over here I have just a small area that has like a lot of my hair stuff in it. Over here I just have a set of 3. This just has like underwear and random stuff in it. My laundry basket, and then I have this little shelf unit that I honestly just got off Kijiji. It was 20 bucks, and I bought all these baskets from HomeSense, Pier 1, and then I just have my LED lights that go across. I honestly think these make such a big difference in brightening up my room. I have my Polaroids and little twinkle lights here and other fairy lights that go across. And then over here is my bathroom. We all have our own bathrooms in this apartment, which is really nice. I have a shower here that's just filled with all of my products and stuff. Just the toilet, obviously. And then I have a sink, a little shelf here that I just keep my face wash stuff on. And then down here is just a little area that I just keep some cleaning supplies and detergent and stuff. Keep all my towels up here. And then I just brought this hook that goes over the door as well. It can hold like 8 sweaters, so it's pretty nice just if I want to throw my coat up or anything. And yeah guys, that's pretty much a quick overview of my room. What I'm gonna do right now though guys is I bought these custom prints off of Etsy. This is so cute. It came in such cute packaging, just like a small business, so I decided to get all my prints from there. But I'm going to do a collage wall right across here. I'll insert a photo of what it's supposed to look like, and I'm gonna do my best to try and make it look like that. I will link the print page that I got these down below, and I'm gonna put these up right now. Okay guys, so this is the final look of it. It honestly took me like an hour and a half to put it up, and I did it exactly how the demo looked, so I really like it. I think it adds a bit to my room just because this wall was so plain before. So happy with how it turned out. Charlie is equally as excited for me.
Yes.
Mel's Noni got this for me. She told Mel to give it to me. Look at how cute it is. Ah, I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute. It's going right here forever. Also guys, Charlie, say hi to the vlog.
Hey,
got me this new makeup mirror. I wanted to get an impressions one, like an impressions vanity, but this one is so similar. It's really cute. I'm gonna take off the plastic. Oh, It's so satisfying. I can't get it. Oh. Beautiful. The lights like this, and you just touch it to light up, and you can like dim it up and dim it down. So cool. I love it. It was like 16 bucks or something from HomeSense, and usually these mirrors are super expensive on Amazon or from Impressions, which is where I was going to get it. But yeah, love it. Anyways, guys, I think that is all for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.